Okay, so I have my container and I'm gonna drop it on this tractor trailer. So I have to align it with this part, that part, and same thing here. Let's see. This part with this part. So let's see. See this part? Look at this. Tilt it slightly a bit. Try and bring it back. And yeah. Okay, and let's see other side. I'll just lift it a bit so you can see. And then bring it back down. Good. And I'm getting my yellow lights. And there you have it. Another truck done.